Hello, ma'am. Good evening. We are Group 3, and our topic is all about globalization, media, and culture. So, first, globalization. So, what is globalization? So, the integration of economics, politics, and cultures worldwide, driven by technology, trade, and communication. So, we have two nga naging part or nagatuyok lang ni siya sa globalization. So, first is we have economic. So what is economics? So free flow of goods, capital, and labor. And then second is cultural. So what is cultural? So exchange of ideas, traditions, and values across regions. So that is globalization. And second is media. So media is tools for mass communication, including digital platforms or social media. So, we know nga familiar na taan ni kay permi nato ni or adlaw-adlaw nato ni nga ginagamit ang social media mao ang for example is Facebook or Messenger or so on and so forth no ang mga social media platforms pero kasagaran natong ginagamit is ang Facebook or mga messenger. So, mao na siya ang media. So, spreads cultural influences. So, exposes audience to foreign content or such as kanang mga sikat karon nga mga K-pop, mga C-drama. And then, ang ikaduha is enables globalization. So, low cost to distribute content globally or for example, Netflix, no? So, muna ginagamit na to karon para usahay ng mga watch ta og mga video or something natay search kung gusto na to tan-awon nga video. So, Netflix atong usahay ginagamit, no? And then third is ang culture. So, what is culture? So, shared beliefs, practices, and identities within a group. So, kabalo kong familiar mo aning culture kay mo ni siya ang pasabot is kung unsa ang nakasanayan sa unang panahon kay kana pun ang ginasunod nato karon nga mga present people, no? So, we have two nga kanang naglambigit pud aning globalization media reshape culture through homogenization, so dominance of western ideals, US consumerism and consumerism in global ads. And then kaduha is mo nga ang heterogenization. So local adaptations Bollywood remakes of Hollywood film. So, kabalo kung ganahan mo ani, no? Kabalo kung ganahan ta ani nga magtan-aw og mga Hollywood like that nga mga gihimo nila nga mga films. So, in short, globalization, media culture form of a cycle where media accelerates cultural exchange. Globalization expands its reaches and cultures adapt or resist these changes. So balancing this interplay requires policies that protect local identities while fostering global dialogue.
Globalization culture refers to the process where traditions, values, beliefs, and lifestyle from different countries are shared, adapted, and blended together. This happens because of easier communication, international trade, travel, migration, and the influence of media and technology. As a result, people from different parts of the world can experience and adapt each other's cultural practices, leading to both cultural exchange and cultural change. Example of this is food. Many Filipinos are enjoying eating American fast food such as McDonald's, Jollibee, or KFC, while people in other countries also get to taste Filipino dishes like adobo, lumpia, or halo-halo. This exchange shows how food connects people globally.
Media culture. Media culture refers to the significant impact and intellectual influence of mass media on society's opinions, tastes, and values. Shaping norms and values, media actively and passively forms how members of societies think about, embrace, and enact shared social norms and values. This can involve strategically advancing certain ideals or unconsciousness instilling others. such as associating specific clothing or leisure choices with high social status. Influence on public opinion media guides people in establishing what is considered important and can also influence how people think about those issues. Media, such as social media and television, can shape and reflect Filipino culture by spreading foreign trends, influencing values like respect for elders or family, and creating new forms of expression. Example, shapes, norms, and values. Media can actively advance certain ideals or unconsciously instill cultural norms by presenting them as desirable. Another example, a prominent example of media culture is the global popularity of K-pop or Korean pop culture.
Example of Media Filipinos. Media Filipinos a very important role in the lives of the Filipinos because it is the main source of news information and entertainment from traditional platform like television, radio, and newspaper to modern digital media such as Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok. Filipinos rely heavily on media for communication and connection. One example is the strong influence of social media in the Philippines. It is often said that country is the social media capital of the world because Filipinos spend many hours each day online through this platform.
What is contemplating and communication? So, contemplation is deliberate, reflective thinking to gain insight or clarity or clarification. So, communication is exchanging ideas through words, gestures, or symbols. Together, they form a cycle where reflection informs expressions and feedback refines understanding. So, ang contemplation daw is naga-deliberate siya o kanang reflective thinking to gain insight para nga naay clarification or clarity ngiyang giingon, no? So, maghatag og idea or example para nga atong mas masabtan. So, example sa contemplate is a leader reflecting on team feedback before proposing policy changes. So, ang leader daw is nagahatag siya og kanang reflective thinking, mga feedback parang mas masabtan daw or naay clarification or clarity ngiyang iingon, no? Before siya nga nag-propose og policy, naghatag pa siya og kanang reflective thinking para mas masabtan. Okay, so mao na siya ang contemplate. And the second is communication. So, for example, a doctor explaining a diagnosis using a simple terms and visual. So, mo na siya ang ginaingon, no? Kalailahi man ta, kung saan na to pag-communicate, no? Pwede ta mga mag-sign language or mag-symbols or bisag usa ba mga gestures lang, no? So kini siya isa para masabtan is visual siya, no, para mas masabtan pagid siya. In short, contemplation presents reactive communication. Yes, so while dialogue turns insights into action. So without both daw is decision risks being impulsive or disconnected from reality. So kung wala daw ni silang duha, ang mahitabo daw is kanang may mo daw siyang kanang impulsive or disconnected from reality kung wala ni silang duha.
This is the conclusion of our topic. Our topic showed how globalization, culture, and media culture are big influences in today's world. Globalization connects countries by sharing food, fashion, music, and tradition, while media cultural spreads these ideas faster through TV, social media, and internet. For the Filipinos, this means we gain new opportunities to learn and connect